All right, we're back. Day 2. Hopefully you had a very successful, and I'm sure you had, a very successful day 1. So now, since day 1 is in the books, now it's time to get started with the day 2's workout. Today is going to be strictly cardio. So I've got 2 variations. I have a variation for those that are going to actually do their cardio at home. And then I got a variation for those that are actually going to be in the gym and want to do their cardio inside the gym. So first, I'm going to walk you through the 20, 30, 40 for those that are actually doing their cardio workout for day 2 at home. First thing, so the concept is we're going to go through a series of exercises. So you're going to end up going through the first series of exercise 20 times. After that, you're going to do the same order of those exercises you did for 20 times. You're going to go 30 reps of each exercise. Then right after that, you're going to end up going 40 reps of each exercise. So now let me introduce you to the exercises that you're going to basically end up doing. First exercise is going to actually be jumping jacks. All right, I'll give you a beginner's version just in case you got knee concerns. And beginners is here. Hands come all the way up and all the way down. All right, every time the hands come up, you're going to count it as 1. That's beginner jumping jacks. Intermediate, you're here. Regular jumping jacks. All right, and an advanced variation of those jumping jacks is called sky jacks. We go here. All right, that's your first exercise that you're going to end up doing. Next exercise, it's going to be burpees. We went through those in day 2, so I'm not going to repeat exactly the different variations, but remember you got your chair, burpees, all right, which is going to be a modified hand on that chair. You're going to end up stepping back, stepping forward, hands up. All right, so that is a modified. A beginners, I come down, step back, step forward, stand up, and I'm here. All right? And intermediate, here, jump. And advance, remember, you're going to end up coming down to a push-up. So let me show you what we basically have. Bang, come right on down, push up, jump back, come right on up. All right, so that's your burpee. That's your second exercise. Third exercise you're going into is going to be mountain climbers. Coming right on down, here, and go. All right, only counting the left leg coming forward is going to be when you count the rep. Third exercise, coming right on in, you're going to grab a kettlebell. Now, if you don't have a kettlebell, that's no problem. You can grab 1 dumbbell. All right? So I'm going to show you what it looks like with just a dumbbell. Hands here. See how I gripped it? See how I gripped it? I'm going to remember, it's butt back, butt forward. Boom. Forcefully. That's going to be a beginner's. Intermediate. So beginners, the dumbbell just comes in line with the belly button. Intermediate, it's going to be the chest. But I'm going to get more of a squat. And advance all the way overhead. Deep squat all the way up. All right. So that's going to be your kettlebell. Your regular kettlebells, we're going here, back, beginners, all right, intermediate, here, chest, get into that deep squat, and advance, remember, all the way up over the head. Next, it's going to be what's called punch jacks, punch jacks, punch jacks. Got the guards here, step, looks like a jumping jack. I'm going to give a beginners. Boom. Only count it when the left fist goes forward. So that's 1, 2. All right, intermediate, it's going to be here. All righty. And now advanced and intermediate is going to be the same. So there you go. That's your list of exercises and how you basically do it. Remember, this is a guide, so it's not designed for me to do it with you, but it's designed to guide you so you know exactly how to do each exercise. Next, those that are in the gym, you're going to do what's called a triathlon challenge, 5K. All right, so 5K means 3 miles. So now you're going to do 1 mile on the treadmill. Now, if that means you power walk, you power walk. Fast as you can basically do it. You're trying to get through 1 mile, not on an incline, but flat. 1 mile on the treadmill. After that, you're going to end up going 1 mile, 1 mile, right up on the elliptical machine, right up on the elliptical for 1 mile. All right. Next, you're going to end up coming on the bike for 1 mile, riding out 1 mile. All right. Now, intermediate. That's a beginner's variation of it. That's someone that basically needs only to power walk on the treadmill because you got a knee concern. So that would be your beginners. All right. Intermediate means you don't have a knee concern. All right. So you can lightly jog on that treadmill. So you're going to end up giving me 1 mile jogging on the treadmill. Right after that, you're going to end up coming right into 2 miles, 2 miles, 2 miles. All right, right on the bike. And then you're going to go 1 mile on the elliptical. All right. Next, we're going with the advance, which is going to end up being not a 5K, but it's going to be a 10K. 10K, which means we're now up to 6 miles, 6 miles, 6 miles. As a matter of fact, I need to make an adjustment. The intermediate is actually a 10K, but I'm gonna go back through it after I explain the advance. The advance 10K, 6 miles. You're gonna end up going 1 mile on the row. If you have a row machine, if you don't have a row machine, you're gonna end up going 2 miles on the treadmill. So let me explain it. 1 mile on the 1 mile on the row, 1 mile run on the treadmill. You're going to end up coming now 1 mile on the Stairmaster, up on that Stairmaster for 1 mile. That is 3 miles already there. From there, you're going to go 2 miles on the bike, and then 1 mile moving right on the elliptical. So that is the advance. Intermediate. Let me bring it right on back. Intermediate. I'm gonna grab my paper. Intermediate. You're gonna take 1 mile on the treadmill, actually 3 miles on the bike, 1 mile on the rower, and 1 mile on the elliptical machine. All right. Key thing is time it. Put your timer on. See how long it takes you to complete your either 5K triathlon challenge, intermediate 10K triathlon challenge, or advanced 10K triathlon challenge. I'll see you tomorrow, day 3. Have a great workout. Turn up the lights, baby.